Hi guys! So today's video, I'll be doing my top 5 favorite lip tints. And yes, let's get started! Okay, so my top 5 favorite is Etude House Dear Darling Lip Tint. Ito, gel type siya. But, yung shade, hindi ko masyadong gusto. This is in the shade number 1. Yung pinaka-favorite shade ko is the number 2 and the number 4. The only downside dito is, hindi siya masyadong long-lasting, but it's really good. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. This one is in number 1. Highly pigmented yung lips nyo. You will really like this one. Pero sa akin kasi it's medyo blackish, kaya hindi ko masyadong but this one is in my top 5 favorite. Top 4 favorite lip tint is this one again from Etude House. This is the Rosy Tint Lips. And I have it in 2 shades, which is in the shade 08 and 1. So I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. Hindi ko masyado itong ginagamit kasi this one is really expensive. As you can see, ganda, diba? Sayang, ang mahal kaya nito. This one is a really good one as well. Yung applicator lang niya, medyo hindi ko siya bet. But yung dip tint, yung laman, amazing. I love it. This one is in 01 and this is in 08. I like making a ombre effect with this. So, yan, shade. Ganda. It's long-lasting enough kasi hindi siya like this one na parang jelly. Ito kasi parang lipstick style siya, which I love. And then you just blend it. The next one is this one from Into It. This one is the gel tint. This one, super love na love ko. I have it in 2 shades as well. I have it in raspberry and peach. Yung pinaka-favorite ko is one in peach. I'm gonna show you guys why I love it. It's very pigmented and yan. Then this one is in the shade raspberry. Hindi ko siya masyadong gusto. I still like the peach one, but this one is nice. I love this one. You can find this anywhere kasi nasa department store to, Watsons, like anywhere you can find this one. So it's really affordable. I think this one is like $298. And thumbs up for this one. In my favorite lip tints is, of course, the KJM Chicken Lip Tint. Oh my god, I love this one. It's organic. It's organic and sobrang dami ng laman. As you can see, sobrang dami. It's 10 ml. Ang dami, bres. Maubos to ng 6 months. Sobrang tagal to. I'm gonna swatch for you guys my favorite Fuse and the Bittersweet Magenta. See? It's water-based. Para siyang yung Peri Peri water tint. And I'm gonna swatch Bittersweet Magenta. I have 7 shades of this one. If you haven't watched the swatch video, I'm gonna link the video below para makita niyo yung swatch video. So, yan. This one is Bittersweet Magenta. It's like blood. Yan. This one is 2 of my favorite. Yung isa is the Vibe. 3 lang yung pinaka-favorite shades ko sa KJM. Number 1 in my list. And this one is my favorite out of all the one. I know if you're watching my video for a long time, you know what this one is. I did mention ata kanina eh. My bad. So this one is the Tony Moly Delight Lip Tint. This one is my favorite. Wala pa rin nakakatalo dito sa Tony Moly ko. This one is long-lasting enough. Hindi siya like nagtatagal din ng 8 hours, but it lasts like much longer than the KJM one. So I like. Tapos, I have a black lips kasi like, really like black. Hindi naman like black, but like bluish. Ewan. Basta, I don't like it. So, this one, it helps me a lot. And what I like about this one is it's gel type. Lasting siya compared to the water one. Para sa akin na, in my opinion. I have it in 3 shades kasi sobrang gusto ko. Ito, hindi ko masyadong gusto. Is I think in number 3 ata. Just gonna swatch for you guys. Yan. It's very orange. Hindi ko masyadong gusto. Hindi siya bagay sa akin. Yung peach kasi kanina sa Into It, it's much more like a reddish tone. Hindi siya very orangey, so kaya gusto ko siya. This one is in the shade number 1. This one is also my favorite shade. Yan. Hindi masyadong kita, but this one my favorite. And this one is in number 2. Ito lang yung mga favorite shades ko, 1 and 2. Ayan. Gel siya, and it lasts longer than forever for me compared to any other products that I have tried. And I remember buying this for only 170 pesos online. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy watching, and please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and see you guys in my next video. Bye!